Today we have a sneaker unboxing from the GOAT app. Is GOAT better than StockX? I purchased a pair of used sneakers from the GOAT app, and this is a Nike Off-White sneaker. This sneaker sold out very, very fast. Of course, because it is a Nike Off-White, it did have some hype to it. There is resale, of course, on this sneaker, so I decided to pull the trigger and pick this sneaker up from the GOAT app. However, I decided to purchase a worn pair instead of a dead stock pair. With StockX, everything is brand new. Everything has to be dead stock. With GOAT, they have brand new dead stock, and they also have used. So I went browsing on the GOAT app, and I decided to pull the trigger on this pair of Nike Off-White sneakers that are used, but they are in my size. They come with OG everything. I'm hyped to get into this GOAT app unboxing. If you guys love sneakers and you love sneaker giveaways, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you guys enter in the Flint 13 giveaway. I'm giving away this pair of Flints, brand new size 11. All you guys need to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and check the link down below in the description. Go to the giveaway video, and on the giveaway video, just leave a comment, and at the end of your comment, leave a way for me to get in contact with you. That could be your email, Instagram, Twitter, it doesn't matter. I'll be selecting a winner for the Flint 13s on June 22nd. So as you guys know, I have had problems with StockX. A bunch of YouTubers have had problems with StockX. A bunch of people in general have had problems with StockX. But, however, StockX, at the end of the day, is still a leading industry in the sneaker game. It is what it is, and StockX is still going to remain around. I like StockX, personally. I really do, but StockX does have its flaws that are pretty obvious. When it comes to GOAT, I don't see nearly as much flaws in their system, and I don't see nearly as many things and as many cases out there on the internet about GOAT as I do see with StockX. If you've had any problems with GOAT or StockX, feel free to leave a comment down below and let me know what happened with you. I would absolutely love to see your guys' story, or let me know what happened, man. What happened with GOAT? What happened with StockX? Leave a comment down below in the comments and let me know. If you have not seen any of the videos I've done on StockX, make sure you guys check them out here on the channel. Start using GOAT, I think, a little bit more. I have used GOAT a few times before, but not in a little while, and what I really like about GOAT is the fact that they have used sneakers. Buying used sometimes for me, I think, is better for me personally, because I get to, first of all, save money. You're of course going to save money buying a worn sneaker in comparison to buying that same sneaker dead stock. And you still wind up getting the same shoe. You wind up wearing it because it's already worn, so you have no problem wearing it. At least that's how I feel. No problem wearing the shoe because it's already worn. And I get to, you know, save money in comparison to buying dead stocks. So I want to give you guys a few examples. If I was going to buy a pair of these Yeezys right here, the 380s, right? The 380 Aliens, dead stock, in a 10.5, it's going to cost you around $450, $460, I would say. But if I have a worn pair, you're not going to pay that same $450, $460. You'll probably pay around $350 for this worn pair. So personally, I would rather save that, say, $100 on a worn pair, still wear the shoe with OG everything, still my size, still 100% real. They're really, really clean. Save that $100 and take that extra $100 and put it into a sneaker I'd rather have in my collection as well. So that's something I'm really big on, and something I personally just like to do. So that's what I decided to do, I think, with this Nike Off-White sneaker. So with that being said, let's get into this unboxing from the GOAT app. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Let's get this video up to 500 likes in the first 24 hours. Hitting that thumbs up helps my channel grow, so thank you guys so much for hitting that thumbs up. So in this box, we have a Nike Off-White sneaker, but this sneaker took about 10 days to get to me from GOAT, so the seller had to, of course, ship the shoe off to GOAT, GOAT verified, and then, well, here it is 10 days later. So with everything going on in the world, 10 days, not bad, not bad. StockX, I would say, is probably around the same time. I've heard stories of them taking longer. I've heard stories of GOAT taking longer. So, you know, with everything going on in the world, it is excusable. 10 days is still pretty good. So let's get into this unboxing. I'm hyped to see these Nike Off-White sneakers. If you guys are excited, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up for me. Once again, that just helps the channel grow. So thank you guys once again for hitting that like button. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you love sneakers, and of course, if you love sneakers giveaways. Don't forget to enter in the Flint 13 giveaway. The giveaway details are down below in the description. So let's get into this unboxing from the GOAT app. We do have all the paper. Get that out of here. And here we have the Nike Off-White swoosh box. Let's take a look at these, man. I'm hyped. Let's see these. These, I might keep, I might not. I got them for a pretty good deal, I think. So even if I don't want to keep these, I feel like I could still probably flip them and make probably 40, 50 bucks on it. So I feel like it was a good deal nonetheless, and I get a video out of it. So with that being said, let's take a look at these sneakers. We do have the Nike Off-White swoosh box. This is a size 10.5, and it is the 10 from the 10 collection. And this is, woo, the Nike Off-White Zoom Fly in pink. So I know a lot of you probably wondering, Danny, what are those? Why did you buy those? This is an all pink shoe. Why are you going to wear them? They're see-through. What are you thinking? Well, first and foremost, like I told you guys, I could definitely go ahead and sell these after seeing them in person now. Yeah, I can give these a sick, really good clean, and I could definitely make some money on these because I believe I paid like $230 or $240 for them shipped, and if you take a look at StockX, they're well over $400. So I can definitely probably make, like I said, a solid 50, 60 bucks if I wanted to sell them, and I get this video out of it. But I wanted to take a look at these in person because I have not seen this Nike Off-White sneaker in person. I've seen the black pair in person. I've had the black pair, but not the pink. Not the pink. I wanted to see them, you know, for a good deal. I was browsing through GOAT. I was like, you know what? Let me cop a Nike Off-White shoe, show it here on the channel. You know, maybe I can make a little bit of money if I'm not crazy about them, or if they're not in the condition I want, or if it's not really a must-have. But honestly, seeing them in hand, I do like them. I really do. However, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them. Like I told you guys, I'm not sure. I may not. But please leave a comment. Let me know. Should I keep these? Should I sell them? If I was going to sell them, I think I could probably get around $3 to $320, maybe $330 for this pair. I mean, they are pretty dirty, but I can give them a really good solid cleaning and make them look really fresh again, even though they look pretty good here on camera. I'm not crazy about the Nike Off-White Zoom Fly. This, like I said, I don't have any Zoom Flies. I never did. It's a very light shoe. I would definitely say that. And I've tried the black pair on when I had them. They're pretty comfortable. So I do think these are pretty nice. I mean, I do like them. A really nice summer shoe. Like I said, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them. If I was going to wear them, personally, I'd go a white tee, solid white tee, some shorts, and keep it simple with that. Just let the pink shoe do the talking, especially during the summertime right now. And then as far as socks, this is a shoe I would wear with socks. I always wear my sneakers with socks. I don't know, maybe a white sock. I don't know. It is see-through and clear. You can see my fingers through it. So I would definitely probably wear a white sock with these and just let the pink shoe do the talking. The white sock will probably see through, but it'll stand out with the white solid tee. These do come with some extra laces, as well as, here it is, the GOAT card. That's what I was looking for. So we do have the GOAT sticker as well as the GOAT verification card. So GOAT comes with this verification card with all the stamps punched out. There's nothing on this sneaker verifying that they came from GOAT or anything, just that little card that you could toss pretty much in any box. StockX does come with a tag. The green StockX tag I do personally like better because it's on the shoe, and if you remove it, there's nothing you can do. But I do like that tag. I would say better than GOAT. But I'm really gonna start using GOAT more. I really am. I do like the fact that I just saved, I would say, comparing to a DEADSTOCK pair, roughly around $200 buying this worn pair in comparison to a DEADSTOCK pair. Is that worth it? You leave a comment down below in the comments and you let me know. Are you gonna take a worn pair of sneakers and still have the shoe in your size with OG everything and save $200 in comparison to still buying the same sneaker, just DEADSTOCK? To me, no brainer. I'm going with worn pretty much all day on pretty much every shoe, most shoes anyway. If it's a general release, I don't really care. I'll take it DEADSTOCK. You know, I'm not gonna complain about 40, 50 bucks. But if it's like a Red October Yeezy 2, like, you can get thousands of dollars taken off just because it's worn. It's absolutely insane. With a lot of sneakers, you know, I saved, like I said, around $200 just buying this worn pair in comparison to a DEADSTOCK pair. So don't shine away from worn shoes. Don't, guys. I'm telling you, give it a chance. You can honestly save money, make money. You know, I can make money on these if I really want to, and you can actually save money because you're just gonna still get the shoe, wear it, and not have to spend all that money for a DEADSTOCK pair. So is GOAT better than StockX? I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below in the comments. Let me know. I'm gonna buy more from GOAT. I'm going to take a break from StockX. I haven't bought anything from StockX in a little bit, but I'm going to give it a break because of what's been going on, and I've had problems. I'm just going to give it a break from StockX, and I'm going to continue to use GOAT, I think, for a little bit. Maybe SneakerCon app? Let me know down below in the comments. What selling apps and what apps do you use to buy sneakers? What sneaker apps, just in general, do you guys use? I do like GOAT that the fact that they have worn sneakers, and like I said, I was able to buy this worn pair and save a good amount of money buying this worn pair of sneakers instead of buying the same shoe, brand new, dead stock. So GOAT, A+ for me. StockX, they need some help. So GOAT right now is where I'm going to spend some more money, buy some more worn shoes. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Give me a follow on Instagram. Give me a follow on TikTok and Twitter. All Danny Moore 2369. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hitting that thumbs up once again does help the channel grow. So thank you guys so much for doing that. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.